Welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne has E goes out on one of his followers. Yes. So now Dwayne is upset. He's really chanting, going out vibrantly on one of his followers who offended him. Um, so just go ahead and watch the video. Draw your own opinion and tell me what you think about this.
Even Smith, first and foremost, right? Me teach them not trouble me. You're gonna come on my page, come type, oh, who are you really? I should go and fix. Me not, listen, my teeth them fine. My teeth them is not troubling me. Leave my blood clot teeth them alone. Even Smith, go suck your man old. You hear me, man? Even Smith, this is what you want, right? You want it, right? Alright, you want it. You're gonna tell me, alright. So my health is fine. My health is fine. I have no complaints with my health. My health is going amazing. God is blessing me tremendously. You're going to talk about, I'm pathetic, right? But yes, so you're on my page pathetic. Which part of that makes sense? You came to my page, Yvonne Smith, come making your comments. I don't know you. I don't care for you. Why do you feel the need to come on my page, come type, dirty woman? Dirty woman, go find big hood for a sock pan. Yeah? Go and find big hood for a sock pan. You're going to tell me, oh, you can tolerate Majesty, Donna, Queen, what? You can tolerate Amari, Majesty, Donna, and Queen. Who give a mama blood clot who you can tolerate, woman? Me not care who you want to tolerate. I don't care who you want to tolerate. Me good. Yes, do you see me pushing myself on nobody? I'm doing my own thing over here, dirty woman. It is necessary. Leave me alone, Rosemary. Leave me alone. You can tolerate Donna. You can tolerate. Go and tolerate them. You shouldn't be on my page making your dirty comments, lady. You should not be over here making your comments. Since you can't tolerate me, why are you here making your unscrupulous comment, telling me who you can tolerate and who you can't? Lady, you're a married woman. I'm looking at your pictures. You are a married woman. Go and tend to your damn husband and leave me alone. And let me tell you this, Yvonne Smith. Me, Dwayne Fletcher, will never come with I will never come with social media. Never. Anyone who you can tolerate, anyone you can tolerate, none of them can take me off social media. As long as I'm being respectful most times, but today I'm not gonna respect you because you're one called dirty woman, right? Don't come on my page, come trying to attack me. Why are you here trying to attack me for? Imagine I'm minding my own business, me and my cousin chilling, and you're coming on my page making unscrupulous comments. Yvonne Smith, leave me alone. And who cares if you can tolerate Donna, Majesty, and Queenie? I don't give one mama blood clot Yvonne Smith. You understand? I don't care who you can tolerate. I can tolerate me. Leave me alone. And when I'm done this out, I'm going to block you because clearly you are one of a dirty, bad man, junker spirit woman who don't want to see peace reign. Oh, you don't love peace. Why? What was we doing just now?
Just talking.
On the veranda, right? Mm-hmm. And it's that woman want to come harass me. Leave me alone. Go and tend to your husband. Go and suck his hood. Right? Go and skin out your front for your husband. I am good over here. I don't have no complaints in the world. No, I have zero complaints in the world. And don't let my health bother you. This is how I feel. You people want to use people's health to chastise them. Right? I see a lot of you on social media doing it. My health ain't bothering me. Sickness is made for everybody. Dr. Yvonne Smith. Sickness is made for everyone, Yvonne Smith. Know yourself. Know yourself, lady, and leave me alone. Right? You're going to come to my page, come harass me for what reason? I make your unscrupulous, dirty comments. And Yvonne Smith, the people them who can tolerate me, they are over here. Dr. Yvonne Smith, go suck, come on. Hey, gal. You see, if I could see you, I'd spit. If I could see Yvonne Smith, listen, know me, I'll hark and I'll bust a spit in your face or something, because you are one of them dirty women who feel you can come in and come bully me. Me not care if you want like Majesty, me not care if you want like Donna, me not care who you want like. As long as me and my little few of them who like me, that's all that matters. Right? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. If you don't like me, don't come here. Don't come my page, come chastise me, because I ain't troubling nobody. You know, I don't ever talk about people's business. I stay in my lane for a reason, right? I see exactly what you're trying to say. You're trying to say social media is only for Majesty, Plan Cabas, Queen, and Amara, right? Liar tell. Lies lies you told. Lies you told Yvonne Smith. Right? Leave me alone. I'm not kiss nobody bumble blood clot but for no friggin' clout. I'm doing my own thing. I am doing my own thing. I'll me get 1,000 views, be fine. I'm not running down no views. No am I running down no damn thing. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Dirty Yvonne Smith. Go and tend to your husband. I'm very sure you have children too. Go and attend to your children them. Go and go and look after your children. Yes, they're coming here and cursing me about my sickness. Like I went to a store and I purchased my damn sickness. It's like yesterday I was fine, and I woke up today and I fell sick. Yvonne Smith, you can fall sick too. You can fall sick too. Plankabas can fall sick too. Majesty can fall sick too. All of them who you claim you can tolerate, all of them can fall sick. All of them. Right? Don't come on my page, come chastise.